video, I'm going to show you the ways to download and install Assassin's Creed Valhalla on your PC or laptop. In order to download and play Assassin's Creed Valhalla, you have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to install the Steam in order to access the game. So for that case, type in steampower.com. It's going to take you to the official page, and right on this page, you have to go ahead and press the install button. In my case, I happen to already install it. So to go ahead and install it by tapping the install button, run the installation, and then when you're done installing it, go ahead and create your account. As soon as you're done creating your account, then log in into your account, then go to stores. When you're on the stores page, here you need to go ahead and tap on the search box and type in Assassin's Creed Valhalla. When you locate Assassin's Creed Valhalla, you have to scroll down a bit and then you will have to go ahead and press the install button or maybe buy the particular game. So basically, if there is an option to buy it, then you have to go ahead and enter in your payment details and all sort of information, and you'll have successfully installed the game on your device. So in this way, you can go ahead and download and play Assassin's Creed Valhalla on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.